can't do it big though. Hi, welcome to my channel, Reading Film with Austin. Today we're going to be reading Pete the Kitten and the Case of the Hiccups. Hiccup? Oh no, Pete has the hiccups. Hiccup? How do you stop the hiccups? Pete asked Grumpy Toad, how do I stop my hiccups? I know, said Grumpy Toad. You stand on one foot. Pete stands on one foot. Go. Pete still has the hiccup. Pete asked Callie, how do I stop my hiccups? I know, says Callie. You stand on one foot and hop up. Oh, Pete stands on one foot. He hops up and down. I can't do it big though. Hiccup. Pete still has the hiccups. Pete asks Gus, how do I stop my hiccups? I know, said Gus. You stand on one foot and hop up and down and sing a song. Pete stands on one foot. He hops up and down. He sings a song. Hiccup. Pete still has the hiccups. Pete asked Bob, how do I stop my hiccups? I know, said Bob. You stand on one foot and hop up and down and sing a song and rub your belly. Pete does it. Hello, friend. I'm a skeleton returning from the dead, and I got a bone to pick with you, little human bone to pick with you, little human being. I seen where you've been, and I don't like it. I got the bow to shoot that you. That's not work. Hiccup. Nothing is working. Pete still has the hiccups. Go ask Mom, said Bob. Pete asked Mom, how do I stop my hiccups? I know, says Mom. You take a deep breath. Pete, take a deep breath. Hold your breath and blow it out, said Mom. Pete holds his breath. Pete blows his breath out. That's it? Pete asks. That's it, says Mom. Pete waits. And he waits. And he waits. The hiccups are gone. Moms are so smart. Thank you for watching Reading Film with Austin. Hope you like my video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit notification, and ring that tiny little bell. Bye!